Don't be fooled by the smile, because every single time I post a video of this guy getting a bath, he looks like he's living the worst possible life. See what I mean? But every time we're outside in any body of water, he can't seem to get enough. So what gives? A lot of you said it's because it's outside water and he just hates the indoor waters. So today, we are going to put that to the test. You ready? So we live really close to this river,
which Boomer loves to swim in.
So today we are using these buckets and we're gonna bring this river water to our bathtub.
But to make this a little more fun, we're gonna add a little bit of competition.
We're gonna see who gets the most number of buckets in by the time we have the bathtub full. You ready?
Let's do it.
Bucket.
Heavy.
Got it. Bucket number one.
Let's go. I had a char, trying to get this water up the hill now almost. I've got some certified fresh river water here. It's got some bugs in it. It's got some like random pine cones. Boomer's really gonna love this.
I've lost half the water and I don't know how I'm gonna make it up the hill. I feel like I need to come up with another plan.
Okay, I'm on my first run up the hill. Still got my bucket here. It's only half empty. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna give Boomer that river water he deserves.
Oh my gosh. This is the hill. Dan is nowhere to be seen. And I am struggling.
I know, Boomer, it's the river water. It smells extra good. Yeah, good boy. All right, bucket number one.
I don't know if I can do more than one run of this. I'm almost home. I saw Dan run back down. He's already on his second round, but I think I have an idea. Yeah, it's some river water, Boomer. Okay, bucket one. Before you come for me, I don't think it's called cheating. I think it's called working smarter, not harder.
Bucket number two.
Okay, bucket two. Whew. Think I lost a little bit of water, but that's okay. Two, and this was so much easier. Bucket three.
Okay, this is my fourth time up the hill. I'm pretty exhausted, but Boomer, you're worth it. Okay. Number 6. I think I got maybe one more of me. Okay, this is the 7th one, and I don't think I can do any more after this. I'm exhausted.
11. This is easy. Boomer, you excited? This is number 12. I think we have the tub pretty full. Dan, you look really tired. You okay?
I climbed up that hill 7 times, and I'm pretty exhausted right now.
I got 12 buckets in, so I guess I win.
I only got 7.
And now for the moment of truth. Oh yeah, this happened to Boomer, but that's for another video. with river water. What do you think? Oh yeah, it smells good, huh? Put your leg down. This water? Look at this. Oh yeah, yum.
We did all this work for you, Boomer. Got all this river, and you're still giving us the same look you always give us when we put you in the bathtub.
Is your life that horrible? Are you living the worst life ever?
Is that a smile?
Boomer, do you like river water? Yeah. Oh my god. Does this mean we have to do this every single time?
Anything for this guy.
Did you like the river water? Yes! Right, now we have our work cut out for us.